AR in floristry. This is a traditional demonstration where a student should learn a technique. The students are standing and watching the teacher. The teacher shows the technique several times, and you can see the student will see everything mirrored. The teacher shows the technique several times and also pass around a technique so they can watch a detail. If you look at the girl on the left side, she don't even see the hands of the teacher. So a lot of time will go to individual helping and guiding afterward. With AR, you can tap on your wrist and connect all the students at teams at once. And the student will see exactly what you see in the classes, also when you make a demonstration. The students can sit on their computer, home, at school or in the flower shop. And you can also make a record so they can see it whenever they want and how many times they want. After you finished a work, you have to evaluate, and then it's also nice to use these glasses. You can show details through the glasses, and you can also make a record. So if you're not at school, you also have the possibility to learn. So the student can also then sit at home, in the flower shop, at school. So this is a new technical tool for floristry.